everyone, back with another chicken pot pie, but this time instead of the Joseph wrap, we're going to do the crust with almond flour, and boy, was it delicious. You will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, eggs, the frozen rice cauliflower, frozen green beans, almond flour, heavy cream, chicken bouillon cubes, real butter, coconut oil. For seasoning, pink salt, pepper, oregano, and baking powder. A fork, a 1 cupper, a 1/4 cupper, a tablespoon, a big bowl for mixing, a soup pan, a fry pan, a cookie sheet, and 4 of those small little pie pans you buy at Walmart. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 400 for our little pies, and we're going to get the chicken cooked up on the stove and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Throw the chicken in, adding heavily pink salt, light on the pepper. Go ahead and cover this and turn it on a medium heat and keep a good eye on it. Let's get our gravy going with 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, and turn it on a high heat so we can bring it to a boil. Use a fork to break those down after it's cooked up. After it's boiled, we're going to turn it down to a simmer. We're going to cover it and kind of mix it around a few times just to thicken it up. And then let's get our cauliflower rice in the microwave on 6 minutes. And then our green beans, we just need 1 cup, so put that in a 1 cupper into the microwave on 1 minute, 30 seconds. Then let's chop up our chicken into smaller bite-sized pieces. Then add over your cooked cauliflower rice, your cooked green beans. We're going to give it a good stir. And then we're going to add over our gravy. Give that a good stir. And then let's start making our crust. You're going to need 1.5 cups of almond flour, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of the baking powder, 4 tablespoons of real butter. We're going to melt it in the microwave first, and then pour it over our mixture, and then mix it up. Then we're going to add some seasoning. Add some heavily pink salt, light oregano, light pepper. Give it another good stir. And then take your little pie pans, put them on a cookie sheet. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons on the bottom of your cookie sheet first. Then add over your chicken mixture, pretty much to the top almost. And you'll see there's a little bit left over. You could have made 6 of them. I made 4. And then pour the mixture of your crust over the top. It's okay if it overflows because it fluffs up. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Pull them out and look how beautiful those look. Those look like real pot pies. Tip them over on a pan. They come out very easily out of those pans. And then I opened one up just to show you what the inside looks like. And this was really, really good. Even better than the Joseph wraps. And for all 4 was 22 carbs. So each one is 5.5 carbs and so filling. And like I said, so delicious. Definitely try this recipe out.